Welcome back, everybody. So here in Southern California, it is a very common sight to see a creature like this, and this is actually a brown widow. So it is not a black widow. As you can see there under its abdomen, it's got that little red dot, the little hourglass like the black widow. These are actually cousins to the black widow. This one here is caught a cricket. Let me see if I could focus a little better for you all. There we go. They inject their prey with the venom, and then from there they eat their meal. So they lay out web. Insects or other spiders get stuck in the web, and then they make a meal out of it. So the brown widow is similar to the black widow. It is a cousin, but they are different. So much like the black widow species, the females are typically a lot larger than the males. So you can see here, this one is a female, but if we go right here, let me try to zoom in for you all. You'll see a little teeny tiny male there. So often, like with the black widow species, I know the males sometimes have to touch the web a certain way or bring a little insect for food, because the females will mistake them for food, and sometimes even after they mate, they will end up killing the males and sucking out their nutrients. But obviously one of the big differences between this and the black widow is the coloration. So you can see this one has a lot more browns and yellows to its color, so it's not fully jet black like you're going to find with the black widow species. So it is a widow, but it's a brown widow. So there's a debate whether they come from Africa or South America. No one, I guess, is 100% sure. It's considered a cosmopolitan tropical and subtropical spider. They have established populations in Hawaii, Florida, Caribbean islands, parts of Australia, South Africa, Japan, and other areas. It was restricted for many decades to the Florida Peninsula. However, around the year 2000, it started showing up in other areas. So they're now known from Texas to Georgia and South Carolina. So these are some interesting things about it. So obviously it's going to have the eggs where they lay them on the back. They're going to have that hourglass. But like I said, one of the key things is they have these spotted legs. If you look closely, the legs kind of have a spotted look. But yeah, this is the brown widow. Most spider egg sacs, they look like a lemon dropper candy, like a little cotton ball with little edges, and that's usually going to be the egg sac. So I don't see any egg sacs here. But yeah, they look like little cotton balls, and those are their egg sacs. But yeah, this is the brown widow. Let me know what area you're from and if you've seen any of these spiders.